เรียม
นักคุณครูรอลูก
นิสัยแย่มากเลย
นั่งลงก่อนเรียนไปเลย
Okay.
Okay, ready? Do you want to turn on
Yes.
your camera or you don't want?
เดี๋ยวผมเรียกเสียงสอบเฉยเลย
Yes.
Okay. So, by the way, my name is Teacher Rose. What is my name again? What is my name? Teacher Rose. Okay, I will type it in the chat box. Teacher Rose. What is your name? Can you type it in the chat box? Can you type it as well?
My name is Narak.
Narak. Okay, did I pronounce it properly? Narak. Your name is Narak, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Narak, our topic for today is about math. Do you like math?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, I will share my screen. 1 minute. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
No. Okay, I can see.
Okay, very good. So let's go here to our book. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So our topic is about round to the nearest 10 or hundreds. Can you repeat that, please?
Round to the nearest turn of 100.
Very good. Okay, so do you have any idea about rounding numbers? Do you have any idea? Let me type it in the chat box, okay? So that you can see it. Okay, by the way,
And
when
round number to the nearest 10 or 100.
okay, have you tried rounding numbers? Have you tried rounding numbers? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So
Yes.
Narak, before we start our lesson, let us have a review about place value. Do you know what is place value? What is a place value?
I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. I'm going to teach you about place value. Okay, so when we see a number, can you give me four numbers, Narak? Four example numbers. Can you give me four numbers? Any number from 1 to 9. Give me four numbers.
7,
Okay, we pronounce it 7,
2,
2,
4,
4. One more.
0.
0. Okay, let's pronounce the number that you gave me. Again, 7. Follow, teacher.
7,
Okay, one more time. 7.
7,
Very good. 2,
2,
4,
4,
0.
0.
Very good. So, Narak, when we say place number or place value, you can check the chat box. Place value, it is the value. Let me type it so that you can check. It is the value of each number. Okay, can you read what's written on the chat box? Please read. Place
Place
value.
value.
Okay, one more time. Place value.
Place value.
It is
It is
the value
value
of.
of
Very good.
each number.
Very good. So the number that you have given to me is 7240, right? Correct? That is the number that you gave. Okay, so
Yes.
How do we read the number? We read it as 7,240. Can you repeat?
7,240.
One more time. 7,200.
7,240.
Okay, very good. And let's find the place value of the number. Okay, so the place value of 0 is what we called ones. What is the place value of 0? Ones.
1.
Okay, what is the place value of 4? We called it tens.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, look at the number 7,240. What is the value of 0 again? Look at the chat box. It is ones, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is the value of 4? It is tens.
10.
Very good. What is the value of 2? It is hundreds. Please repeat.
100.
Very good. And what is the value of 7?
It's 1,000.
Very good, Narak. You're very intelligent. Okay, one more time. Teacher Rose will question you. What is the value of 0?
0 is 1.
Very good. How about 4?
4 tens.
Tens. Oh, very good, Narak. How about the 2?
100.
And the 7?
1,000.
Very good. Now look at your screen, Narak. Look at your screen. Can you read the number on the screen, please? 4,074.
4,074.
One more time. One more time.
4,074.
Very good. I like that. Okay, now tell me what is the place value of 7? Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
10.
Very good. What is the place value of 4?
1.
Okay, very good. Now, what is the place value of 0?
100.
Hundreds. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, let's check more example. Okay, here we have. Can you see the screen, Arak?
Yes.
Okay, first, please read the number. 1.
1, 10, 2, 1, 10, 2, 1, 3,
Mm-hmm.
10,
Uh-huh.
10, 500.
Okay, now how do we read this number? 1,000. Read the number.
1,000.
200.
200.
30. 35.
5.
Very good. One more time. 1,235. One more time, please.
1,000.
200.
135.
35. Very good. Okay, another example. One more example. Teacher Rose will check for more example. Okay, how about this one? Can you read the number for me, Narak, please?
8717.
Oh, how do we read that number? 8,000.
8,000.
700.
700.
17. Okay, we read it as 8,717. One more time.
8,717. 17.
Very good. Now, do you still remember the place value? Do you still remember?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
What is the place value of 1?
Uh, 10.
Very good. Okay. What is the place value of 8?
1000.
Very good. Now, what is the place value of this 7?
1.
How about this 7?
100.
Very good, Narak. Now you are ready for our lesson. Can you read this one, Narak, please? Can you read the title, please? Round.
Round to the nearest 10 or 100.
Very good. Let's do it one more time. Say round. Open your mouth.
Round.
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 Very good. To
To
the.
the
The. Look at my teeth. The.
the
Very good. Nearest.
nearest
One more time. Nearest.
nearest
10
10
or
or
100.
100.
Very good, Nara. Nara, clap your hands first for yourself. Clap yourself. Very good. Now let's proceed. Okay, one moment. Let me. Okay, here. Now we're going to unlock the problem. So we have here different problems. But first, let's practice how to read this sentence first. Follow Teacher Rose. I will read it first, okay? Mm-hmm. So when you round a number, you find a number that tells you about how much or about how many. Narak, please read.
Where around number you will find a number that tell you about how much or about how many.
Very good. Okay, let's read the second sentence. Mia's baseball bat is 32 inches long. Please repeat.
His baseball bat is 32 in long.
Okay, inches. One more time, inches.
Inches
Very
long.
good. Okay, let's read the question. What is its length rounded to the nearest 10 inches? Please repeat. Wow. What
What
is
is its
its
ring was
length rounded?
rounded to the nearest 10
Inches.
inches.
Very good. Okay.
ฟ้าฟัง
Can
กินฟ้า
Nara, can
คื
you
อน้
see this one? Can you see this? Can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now I
Yes.
have a question, Nara. What or how long is Mia's baseball bat? How long? It is
Is
how long? Is it 22 or 32?
32.
Very good. So Mia is a girl. So this is Mia, the girl. And when we say baseball bat, this is a baseball bat. Have you tried playing baseball, Nara? Have
No, I
no.
can't.
I can't. Why? Why not?
I can't playing baseball.
Okay. So what sport do you like to play, by the way? What sport?
Badminton.
Oh, I like badminton too. Okay, let's continue the lesson. So it says that this bat is 32 inches long. So we're going to round 32 to the nearest 10 inches. Okay, Narak, when we say 32, what is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 2 again?
1.
Very good. That's so good. How about the 3? What's the place value of 3?
10.
10.
10.
Very good, Narak. Very intelligent girl. Now the question is, we're going to round 32 to the nearest 10. And what is the number for the nearest 10? What's the number? Is it 3 or 2? What is the tens?
3.
3. Okay, very good. This is the nearest 10. So, look at this one here. Is 32 near to 30 or 40? Is it near to 30 or 40?
กลางเป็นอะไร
Is it near? Is it near to 30 or
30.
40?
30.
Very good. So 32 is near to
เอาแล้ว
30. Very good, Narak. So when
ไม่
we
ใส่แล้ว
round off 32 to the nearest tens, the answer is 30. Now, I want you to check your chat box, Narak, so that you will have an idea as well. So, can you read this number, please?
Uh,
Check the chat box.
uh,
What number is that? 30.
32.
Very good. And the tens is, what number is the tens?
Is
Oh, look at the
3.
3. Very good. Okay. So 3 is below. Okay, this is the trick. You know what's a trick, Nara? Do you
I
know what's
don't know.
Okay, let me search it in Thai. What is trick, okay? So that I'll give you a tip. Or let me type it here. One moment, let me give you the Thai definition so that you'll know. Okay, one moment. Tip. Okay, here. Check the chat box. I search it in Google, the Thai definition. Tip. Again,
Tip.
let's read tip.
Tip.
Okay. So if the number is below 5, what do we mean by below? What is below? What is
I
below?
don't know.
Below,
I don't know.
it means, look at my hands in Narak. So this is 5 and this is below. So what are the numbers below 5? Okay, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and 4. Okay, again, what are the numbers below 5?
4.
4. What else? 3.
3, 2, 1.
Very good. Okay, again, one more time. What are the numbers below 5?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Now, above, what are the numbers above 5? We have
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
very
12, 13.
Okay. So just remember, if the number is below 5, for example, is 3 below 5 or above 5? Is 3 below 5 or above 5?
Below 5.
Below 5. Okay. So if the number is below 5, you will change the next number into 0. So 32 will become 30. Can you see the screen? Can you see the chat box? Check the chat box.
Yes.
Okay. So 3 is tens, right? And 2 is ones, correct? In 32, right?
I don't see.
The chat box. Check.
I see. I tip.
Oh, how about the chat box? Can you see the chat box now?
Ba.
32, 30. How about that? See it now? Can you see it now?
I don't see it.
The chat box. Check the chat box.
Okay,
Oh,
I see it.
okay. Very good. So, again, is 3 above 5 or below 5?
It's about 5.
Oh, again. Is
About
3
5.
above or below? 3.
About.
It's below 5. Remember? 4, 3,
It's
2.
5.
Again, is it below 5 or above 5?
Below 5.
Below 5. Okay, now I'll give you another number. Narak, check the chat box. 67. Check the chat box. Please read the number.
What?
What's the number?
Okay.
What number is that? Okay, let's have this number that you give to me.
67. 100 is below.
Above? Oh,
Below.
5, 6, 7, 8. Is 100 below or above 5?
Below.
Are you sure?
Yes.
One more time.
About.
Above. Okay. How about 12? Is 12 above 5 or below 5?
What's this?
Check the chat box. Is 12 above 5 or below 5?
Okay.
What's the answer? Above or below?
Below
Are
is
you are you sure? Are you sure? Above.
about
Okay, say above.
about
Above. One more time. Above.
about
Okay,
about.
very good. Now let's go back to the book. Okay. So the task is to round 32 to the nearest 10. Narak, please read.
Round uh
32.
round 32 the nearest 10.
Okay, one more time. Round 32. Round
Round
32.
two-
Again, 32.
round
Very good.
32
To
to the
nearest
nearest
10.
10.
Very good. Okay. Now, look at this one here. 32 is between what number? When we say between, this is 32 and there are two other numbers. What are the two numbers that you can see? What are the two numbers?
In
It is 30 and
2.
40.
40.
Okay. Narak, do you know what is between? Do you know what is between?
Between
Yeah, what is between?
I, Rawang.
Between is,
Between
okay, check the chat box.
uh,
Okay, I'll type it here. Between is middle.
Raw-
Middle.
Wow.
Okay, do you know what's between now?
This moment is chup 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 is hard between
Mm-hmm.
the
Good.
cock.
Very good. Okay, now, so 32 is between what numbers again? What numbers? 30
32
and 30. We have 30 and what is the other number?
40.
Very good, Narak. Okay, look at this one. So, 32 is between two numbers. What are the two numbers again? 30, 30,
30
and
and
40.
40.
Very good. Now, Narak, Listen to my question. 32 is closer. It means 30, 32 is closer to what number? 30 or 40? Is it closer to 30
30.
or 40? Again?
30.
Very good. That's the correct answer. So 32 is closer than 40. Okay, let's read this one. Okay, let me type it here again. Give me one moment,
Is
please.
230 that it is 240.
Okay, Narak, please read this line. 32 is between
42 is between
30
30
and
and 40.
very good. Now, read this one. 32 na
32 round
is up
is
is
co- is
closer.
closer
Very good.
to 30 than it is to 40.
Wow, very good. Now, so 32 rounded to the nearest 10. Oops, to the nearest 10. What is the answer? Is it 40 or 30? What is the nearest? 30 or 40? What is closer again? What is what is the answer? 30 or 40?
Um,
30 or 40? It is near or close to what number again?
40.
Is it closer to 40?
30, 30.
Very good. Very smart girl. Okay, now let's read everything here one more time. Let's read everything. 1, 2, 3, go.
Uh,
Third
32 is between uh, 30
30
and
and
40.
very good.
32 is closer to 30 than it is to 40.
Very good.
32 rounded to the nearest 10 in 10
Is
is 30.
very good. Okay, Nara, clap yourself. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. Give yourself a clap. Very good. Okay, now let's proceed with another example. Let's find another example. Here. Okay, please read round
Round 100
72.
74. The nearer 100.
Okay, let's pronounce this word correctly one more time. Nearest.
Nearest.
One more time. Nearest.
Nearest.
Very good. Let's read letter B again, Narak. 1, 2, 3, go.
Round 174 to the nearest 100.
Very good.
100.
Okay, Narak, very good. Now, find which hundreds the number is between. Very good. Now, 174 is between what number? There are two numbers in between 174. What is the number?
174.
Okay, 174 is between what number? 100
100
and
and
what is this number?
100 and 300.
Is it 3 or 200?
200.
Okay, 174,
200.
very good, is between 100 and what is the other number?
Uh, 74.
Oops. Look at the number. Between means middle. So middle.
200.
Very good, Narak. Very good. Very smart girl. Let me type it for you. Again, 174 is between what number? 100
174
and
is correct to
200.
200.
Okay, very good. Now, let me erase the drawings first. Again, let me type the answer here. One moment. 100 and 200. Okay. Now, Narak, please read the sentence. Repeat after teacher first. 174 is between 100 and 200. Narak, please repeat.
174 is between 100 and 200.
Very good. Now, look at this one. Another. 174 is closer. Closer? Is it closer to 100 or closer to 200?
200.
Very good. Okay, again, 174 is closer to?
200.
Very good. 200 than 100. Okay, so 174 rounded to the nearest hundred is? Rounded to the nearest hundred, what is the answer? It is
Mm,
2. It is 200, right?
200.
Because it is near 200. And look at the arrow. It's too far and it's too long. Okay, now, Narak, let's read everything from the top. Okay, read.
174 is between 100 and 200. 174 is closer
Closer.
to 200 that is to 100. So 174 rounded to the nearest
Very good.
100 is
Is
200.
very good. Narak, okay, one more clap for yourself. One more clap for yourself. Vic. So cute, Narak. Okay, let's proceed with another example. Let's find another example. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, we have here nearest 10. Okay, this one. Can you see the screen, Narak?
Yes.
Okay. The number here is 718. Repeat after Teacher Rose. 718.
718.
Okay, one more time. 718.
718.
Very good. Now, 718 is closer to what number? Is it closer to 710 or 720?
720.
Is it closer to 720?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very intelligent girl. Now, okay, let me type it here. Okay, 718 is closer to 720 than it is to 710. So, 718 rounds to, what is the answer? 720 or 710? Which is near? 720 or 710?
7.
700.
710.
Oops, is it near to 700? Oh, look at the first sentence. It is near to 720. Repeat. 720.
700 is
Okay, go read.
700 is closer to
20.
720 than it is to 710.
Very good.
So 720 round to 730.
Again. So 718 rounds to so
Round to 720.
20. Very good, Narak. Very intelligent girl. Now let's proceed with another example. Let's find more examples here. Okay. Let's see if we have more examples so that you can see it. Okay, this one. Let's have number 1. But first, let's read this one. Round to the
Nearest 10.
Okay, let's repeat. You forgot it again. Nearest.
Nearest.
Very good. Okay. Nearest 10. Okay. What is this number again in Narak? Please read.
46 is between
Between what number?
between 40 and 50.
Very good.
76 is closer to 50 than it is to 40.
Very good.
46 rounded to the nearest 10
10
is
is
15.
very good. Narak, you're getting it very fast. Okay, I'll clap for you. Very good. Now let's proceed with another example. I think we have more examples here. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why? Oh my God. Okay, so round to the nearest 10. Okay, how do we round off 19? 19 rounded to the nearest 10. What is the answer?
Near 10.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Is it 20 or 10? What is the answer? Is it near to 20 or 10?
20.
Very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask you so that you will remember. Number 19. What is the place value of 9? What is the place value of 9? Ones. What is
One.
very good. What is the place value of 1?
1, 2, it
Ones.
0 to 1.
Tens. Again, ones.
1,
Tens.
10.
Very good. Now let's proceed with what number is this?
66.
Very good. Now, is 66 near to 70 or 60?
Mm,
Is it near to 70 or 60?
70.
Very good. 70. Okay. One more example. We'll have one more example. How about 51? Okay. Is 51 near to 60 or 50?
60.
Again, what's the answer?
60.